Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of this Kraft mac and cheese. Alright, these are the little cups that you just microwave. Normal price $10.49, $2.50 off, so basically $8 for 12. Alright, let's take a look. As you can see, ready in 3.5 minutes. No artificial flavors, preservatives, or dyes. Okay, original flavor macaroni and cheese sauce mix. 12 2.05 ounce 58 gram cups, net weight 24.6 ounces or 8.6 ounces, or sorry, 1 pound 8.6 ounces or 696 grams. We're going to read that on the nutrition facts, so I'm going to skip that, but it's 3.5 minutes. Okay, same information here, original flavor. All right, I don't know why, but the glue on like a lot of these were just coming up like that, so I didn't actually peel that out. It was already coming out. Same information there. Okay, here you go. So the directions are to just add water. You remove the lid and cheese sauce mix. Add water to the fill line in the fill line in the cup, and then stir. And then let's see, prevent risk of fire. Add water to fill line. Do not leave microwave unattended. Interesting. So you microwave this uncovered on high for 3.5 minutes. Don't drain it, and then you stir in the cheese sauce mix after microwaving it, okay? So you don't pour this in while you're microwaving it. Note, starch blend in cup reduces risk of boil over and thickens the sauce. Prepared cheese sauce will thicken upon standing. Do not reuse the cup. Okay, so there you go. I don't know why you can't reuse it, but there you go. So it says to use by 16th of January, 2024. I guess these don't really have too much shelf life. We bought this, or I bought this September 1st, 2023. So only 4 months? Yeah, that's not very long shelf life. So you need to make sure to eat these quick. All right, did I miss anything? Where's the nutrition facts? Here we go. No artificial flavors, preservatives, or dyes. You can see the paper sleeve is recyclable and nothing else is. Okay, nutrition facts are there's 12 servings per container, 1 package per serving, 220 calories per cup, per macaroni cup. All right, 3.5 grams of fat, 4%, 2 grams saturated fat, 11%, 5 milligrams cholesterol, 2%, 490 milligrams sodium, 21%, carbs, 40 grams, 14%, fiber, 1 gram, 4%, 5 grams of sugar, doesn't include any added sugar, doesn't have any added sugars, and then 7 grams of protein. All right, there's no vitamin D. There's calcium, 170 milligrams, 15%, iron, 1.9 milligrams, 10%, and potassium, 200 milligrams, 4%. Ingredients are enriched macaroni product made from wheat flour, glycerol, monostearate, niacin, ferrous sulfate, which is iron, thiamine mononitrate, vitamin B, which is vitamin B1, riboflavin, which is vitamin B2, and folic acid. The cheese sauce mix is made from whey, corn syrup, solids, milk fat, palm oil, modified food starch, salt, milk protein concentrate. Maltodextrin contains less than 2% of calcium carbonate, sodium triphosphate, medium chain triglycerides, dried buttermilk, citric acid, sodium phosphate, lactic acid, calcium phosphate, non-fat dry milk, guar gum, cheese culture with paprika, turmeric, and annatto added for color, silicone dioxide, enzymes, natural flavor, and xanthan gum. All right, then there's modified food starch, maltodextrin, acetylated monoglycerides, salt, medium chain triglycerides. This contains wheat and milk, so if you're allergic to those, be careful. And it's made by Kraft Heinz Food Company. So apparently Kraft and Heinz are the same company. And then you have that QR code. You can call for more information and scan for more information. Right? Best when used by date on bottom of the cup. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. All right, again, I don't know why the glue is just peeling out there, but it was already coming out. Okay, so here's what the cups look like, and it says same thing, actually, used by 16th of January. Didn't this say, oh, okay, no, it is still 16th of January. Okay, so used by 16th of January, And you have this. Okay, there's like a, I guess this is the paper they're saying. Is this paper? It looks more like a plasticky foam. So I'm not sure. I would guess only this box is recyclable. The rest seems like garbage. It feels like styrofoam. Okay. I guess this is plastic, but the outer layer feels like styrofoam. Anyways, here you can see it says not recyclable. Okay. Avoid burns. Cup and contents will be very hot. Same nutrition facts. They are labeled for individual retail sales, so if you own a shop, you can return them. And then, if you own a shop, you can sell them there. And then let's go ahead and see. So same instructions for microwaving, and then we microwave 3.5 minutes. So let's open this up. Obviously, microwaves vary. Here it says must add water to fill line. So I guess if you don't put enough water, you're gonna have problems. Anyways, peel this out. Oops. So you can see it has that white powdery starchy stuff. Like they said, that's to help the noodles. That's to prevent the water from boiling out of the cup, and it also thickens up the sauce. So you don't want to get rid of that white powder stuff. All right. So here you can see the fill line. So we're just gonna put water to this line. And then I'm going to microwave it for 3.5 minutes. So let's do that, and we'll see you at the microwave. All right, so there you have it, filled to the line. Okay, we're going to microwave this 3.5 minutes, which is 3:30. Okay, there's no 0.5 or anything on here. And we'll let that microwave, and then we'll be back. I'll probably show you a little bit if I can see it start to boil. And yeah, other than that, we'll see you guys when it's ready. Okay, as you can see, we have 1 minute and 20 something seconds left. And it actually boiled over, so that's gonna be a mess we gotta clean up. I don't know if you can even see it because it's focusing on the dots and not the microwave or the macaroni cup, but there you can see. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like inside the microwave once it's done. It's gonna be a big mess probably. Alright, so the microwave just finished, so let's go ahead and open it up. And here's what it looks like. There's still a lot of water in it, so we're gonna have to mix this up with the cheese. So let's go and move over there, and let's see what this. Look at all that water. You see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. And yeah, let me mix up the cheese, and we'll see you guys in a bit. All right. Here's the cup. Let's go ahead now and open up the cheese packet. It looks like this. I grab it and I shake it to get the cheese to go down towards the bottom. So hopefully if I open it, it doesn't spill everywhere as much. Okay, once we've got that, we'll just pour this in. Okay, and then we're just gonna stir this all together. Oh, a lot of the water already kind of absorbed into the noodles. So you want to do this quick. Don't wait too long after taking it out of the microwave. Okay, and if you want the macaroni to be thicker, you kind of just have to wait longer, and it will eventually thicken up a bit. Okay, so we're just going to stir this all up. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's very goopy. Maybe I should turn on the flash. I don't know if that will help. There you go. You can see how gloopy it looks. Alright. Super hot, so be very careful with this. You can see it's pretty nice consistency. I am going to have to let it sit because it's really hot and I don't want to burn myself. So I'm going to let this sit while I kind of clean up the microwave. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Probably in about a minute or so. Alright, I'm back. Let's give this a try. You can see how much it kind of thickened up. So now it's not as gloopy. Let's give it a try. Pretty good. Pretty close to the original Kraft macaroni and cheese. Too bad I don't have like side-by-side comparison. That would be too much macaroni. But it's really good. I'd say it's super close to the Kraft macaroni and cheese. Yeah. So if that's what you're looking for, quick, portable, easy to make. I don't know, it tells you to put it all the way to the line, but it overflowed on me, so if you're gonna do that, maybe put this inside a bowl or a plate, so that way when it overflows, it's much easier to take it out and clean it up. Unless, did I do anything wrong? Oh, I messed up. I'm gonna have to remake it. I didn't stir in the macaroni with the powder. Maybe that's what happened. So I'll make a second one, and then we'll see if it does the same boiling over thing. Sorry, I messed that up. Alright, so I'll open another one. This time, I'm eating too many macaronis, but this time, I'm gonna put the water, and then I'm gonna stir that white powdery stuff in, and then hopefully that will prevent the boil over. So let me do that now, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Let's trust the process. Let's go ahead and stir this up. I'm not going to put it in a bowl or plate like I was saying to do. And we'll see if stirring this up helps. So that stuff is supposed to prevent it from boiling over. We'll see if that's true. We're going to do the same thing. Cook for 3.5 minutes. And see how big of a difference stirring it makes. Alright? Because a lot of water spilled over on the first one. Alright, but that means also there was less water in the noodles, so I don't know if this is going to be more soggy now. So, I don't know. I would say that's stirred in enough. It didn't say how well to stir it, it just said to stir. I don't think it said stir well, right? Did I read the instructions and follow it properly? Add water to fill line in cup, stir. Microwave, uncovered, on high, 3.5 minutes. Okay, so we'll do this again. Microwave 3.5 minutes. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I dried up the plate and everything to make sure it doesn't interfere by adding more water to heat. So we're going to do another 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Alright, and we'll see you guys at the about minute 30-second mark like last time. Alright, so we're basically at the 1.5-minute mark. You can see, sorry, I wiped it a little bit and it's wet, but you can see it's boiling a lot less so far, but let's see if it starts like exploding. Uh-oh, here we go. And it overflowed again. So as you can see, mixing that stuff in didn't help. It's still overflowing everywhere. We still have a minute to go. So yeah, put it in a plate or a bowl when you microwave this so that you don't have to worry. I don't know if it has something to do with, I mean, our microwave is a 1200 watt, so that could be the issue, because sometimes people use like 1000 watt or less. But I guess we're basically gonna have the same exact taste experience and everything. So that's pretty much it. I will show pouring in the powder and eating the other one. Maybe I'll eat it a little earlier so it's more gloopy, see how that goes. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully, if you guys enjoy Kraft macaroni and cheese, give these a try. Pretty much like the boxed ones, with a little bit easier cooking. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we mix in the cheese. Alright, that's how much water's left, and let's go ahead and pour out that thing. Alright, too much water spilled out of that thing, so I'm going to clean it up after I mix this. Alright, go ahead and pour the cheese powder in. There we go. And we'll just stir. Okay. Also, if you wait too long, the noodles will stick together, so be careful. You want to make sure to stir in the cheese as soon as you can. Okay, and right now this one seems more watery, but I think because last time I waited a bit longer before starting to stir. Right, look how watery this is right now. Okay, so that powder in there didn't prevent it from boiling over like it said it would. So, yeah. Again, it might be because my microwave is too high power. Maybe I can set a lower power setting to like 80% or 75%. But yeah, right now this looks way too liquidy. I don't like my macaroni and cheese being all liquidy like this. But maybe some people do. Maybe I should try a little bit liquidy just to see. It is burning hot. Okay, let's try a little bit like this. I'm gonna try and cool it down. All right, that's what that gloopiness looks like. I prefer it more dry. It's too liquidy. So I'm gonna let this sit while I clean up the microwave again. This time more water spilled out than last time, so I don't know, stirring it in didn't seem to really help. And somehow the macaroni is more watery, so I don't know what's going on here, but I'll leave that. Let me clean up the microwave. I'll be back to try it again. Alright, I'm back. Let's go ahead and take a look. And yeah, I don't know why this one's more gloopy. I felt like I put less water and more spilled out, so I don't know what's the difference with this other than I stirred that thing in advance. So alright, let's give it a try again. Yeah, so I don't know what happened, why it got more watery this time. I prefer my macaroni more dry. Everybody has their different preferences, but yeah, I feel there's a nice product. Again, maybe put it in a bowl or something so if it boils over it'll catch the extra water. But yeah, other than that, not really much else to say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.